Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting every section of the net so you know what to fix first. Look for broken braids, torn mesh, and detached lead line. Mark each spot with a waterproof marker. Once done, lay the net flat on a clean surface and secure a weighted object to hold the lead line straight. Then grab a repair needle, matching twine, scissors, and pliers. Start with the most damaged hole so you restore structural integrity before tackling smaller tiers. Now you repair the hole by threading the needle with matching twine and tying a secure surgeon's knot to anchor the thread. Work methodically. Follow the original mesh pattern and weave the twine through existing knots, pulling snug but not overly tight to avoid puckering. When you encounter a broken braid, splice or knot a replacement section and continue the stitch line so tension stays even. Make short, consistent passes and periodic. Finish by locking your repair with multiple tight knots and, if appropriate, a small drop of waterproof adhesive to prevent slippage. Trim tails short to about 0.5 to 1 cm so they won't snag, and inspect surrounding mesh for any stress that could cause a new tier. Once done, test in water. Cast or suspend the net and watch how it opens and sinks. If it twists or fails to open, retension the lead line and check knot symmetry. Rework any uneven sections until performance is restored.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.